you money, baby, I will clearly move about your way, yeah. But I ain't the type to pay for dating, though. Running up on me, trying to ask for a G, that shit crazy. Trying to sex me down till I knock her up, that shit crazy. She can't believe she's so thirsty, that crazy. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna do a get ready with me. So I'm actually going somewhere. So that is what I'm getting ready to do. But first I'm going to I got some contact lenses. I'm gonna insert like a little clip of the packaging and all that good stuff, but this one that I'm putting on right now is the TTD EYE, which means the third eye. Wow, I never really noticed that until looking on the case. But this color is the dodo gray. I think that's what it's called. It's like a bluish gray color to it. So inside this little packet right here, you have, of course, the lens with the solution in it. Well, actually the lens came in this, hold on, ooh, don't look at my nails, y'all. It came in this. No man, that's what's embarrassing. Before we continue with the contacts, to my defense, my nails have been done from December. It is now February and I have not gotten the chance to soak them off. I literally got acetone today to get rid of them. They were long, if you remember, they were long, and I literally cut them down because I didn't want them to like break off. Anyways, yeah, me never send me out, girl. Y'all place that title on me. We're not gonna pay attention at all to my crusty nails because they need to be sorted. I am aware that they need to be sorted. Anyways, in this little packaging you have these tweezer like contraption. It's not focusing, but anyways, yeah, you just take up the lenses with this and then you put it onto this tool. Put it onto this tool and then place it in your eye. So that is what I'm going to try. So let's see how this goes, because I have to put it in before I put on makeup. It is now 2:08 and we're supposed to be ready by 3. So wish me luck. I don't know how this is gonna go. So if and when you decide to purchase some contact lenses from TTD EYE, make sure you use my code AndImShelby for some money off, and make sure if you don't wear glasses or you don't need a prescription, click the lenses that are non-prescription based. All right? Okay. Yes! I did that. Look at the difference. I mean, excuse my eyebrows, but wow. Do you want to see a magic trick? Boom. Hi guys. YouTuber life. So you see what's going on right here? Vlogging going on right here. So we're going to do the letting the person in front of us order our food. Yes. Let me tell you something, I'm really irritated. I'm really, hold on, let me figure. Let me take them. Yeah, so we're going to be doing the letting the person in front of us order our food. We're kind of not excited for the video because, first of all, I'm picky. Me picky. You see some things where Shacqueal would probably say, alright, me I got say, lad, that nasty, me not want it, like. And then the thing is too, me only eat zinger at KFC. Like, God, right. Please make somebody order one zinger. Me not care, okay? So Shelby wants anything barbecue and me want either zinger or barbecue wings. Heard. Else me think me gonna go crazy. Like me don't want nothing else. I'm not too much of them because it's the jokes for me.
Alright guys, so them I call it them food.
No panino. No have that. You have an idea?
Them not the can't show it I go in our bag.
But how much bag though?
But I have an idea.
Oh my
Please,
god.
me just a beg God for a zinger.
I just want something with barbecue. But I must eat everything, you know. But
I can take out my purse. Like.
rich.
You should then go later.
You know me don't say it here though.
No, this is where you can go.
Yeah. This is doing the most.
And then that in your hair already good. You have to go on it today. How will you do that without me?
I don't know. I don't know. I never know say.
Almighty God, people look on the bag.
Hello?
Excuse me?
You can't even take up your bag.
Let me tell you, Shelby, that look like a too big deal. I'm really upset.
Oh my god, I missed it though on the camera.
In front of we food, and when we reach us, we just drive past. So that when the person in front of us are gone and think the person behind are going to pay, I will just do it.
You know, wicked. Good day. Big bag. Big bag.
It's a bag for me.
It's a bag for me.
I want that. That's it. Come in and get my no look at juice.
No, no wicked. No, I have to come with juice.
Let me see her. She asked for my flavor juice.
Okay.
For juice.
People, this serious. Me eat this
All over going there.
in a parking lot.
But where they in corner of the place? Make it say we can do it somewhere. We want to be surprised. Alright, look on the receipt. It's a bit easier.
Alright. On the receipt, we have a barbecue zinger, chicken box, big deal, and another big deal, coleslaw. Honestly, oh, this biscuit combo.
Me tell us them order some part, you know.
So who them buy
Who them a feed?
Who them a feed?
Right now, people may go sell back a chicken box.
No, that big deal, you know.
The big deal is supposed to. That's a chicken box. Probably. Chicken box, chicken box.
But thank you to Kemy Hair. Kemy, I don't know if I pronounce it. But thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. Okay. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video. I don't even know if this is going to be the starting of this vlog or not. But wherever in this vlog this ends up, hey, it's me. How y'all doing? Hey. Hey. So today I'm gonna put on my wig, and you probably have seen it on Instagram already. It's this ginger wig. I have been trying to do this video for a couple times, but the thing is, I wanted to curl the hair. I wanted the hair to be curly, and I tried it with my curling wand. I tried it with a flat iron, and the curls would just not hold. So today, this morning, I decided to put some flexi rods in it, and let's see if the coals hurt. It was quiet before I took this camera up. I kid you not. At this point, I think I'm cursed. I think I'm cursed because every single time I decide to do a video, there's an ice cream truck outside right now. Are you kidding me? I'll put this wig on and see what is what. I should have never put these baby hairs here. I think I'm gonna cut them off. Alright guys, so I'm back, and is this even in the middle? Middle enough. That's what I'll probably think about gluing it down when I'm done taking out the curls, even though I don't think that's a good idea, but that's what we're gonna do anyways. So let us see what the curls are actually looking like, if there's actually any curls in it or not, because I have tried too hard with this hair. Watch out. Tall not up. Oh, this is. Well, alright. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, I think this is what I'm going to have to start doing if I want to wear this hair, because I don't want to wear it straight. Ooh, this one is really curly. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Ah! Oh! Oh! Okay. Yo, dog. Girl. Y'all. Alright, don't mind hair showing. Like that'll be fixed. Don't worry about that, sweetheart. So firstly, I don't like how it looks by itself. So I thought, you know what, maybe let's do some makeup for fun, and let's see how it looks after I do the makeup. It already looks better with me just doing brows. So also don't pay attention to right here. Y'all can't see that from far.
So guys, this hair is from Kemy Hair, and on the website it's called the Kemy Hair Custom Brown Human Hair Lace Frontal Wig, and they have lengths from 8 inches to 28 inches. I do believe this is probably 28 or 26. I really don't know how lengths work in wigs. I'm still a new wig wearer. I still haven't finished customizing it to my liking because I haven't plucked it as much. I need to fix the baby hairs and all that stuff, but you guys can do some customizing of your own. I'm just showing you how it would look on me to give you some inspiration to see if you guys would like to try it out or whatever the case might be. But yeah, the link to this hair will be in the description box below, so if you want to go purchase it, you can do that. And yeah, tell them I sent you.
So guys, this is what the hair is looking like after I've done a little bit of makeup. This part right here, I'm not even gonna come too close, but it needs to be plucked some more. It needs to be laid properly, because the first time the fan is on, my bad. There we go. Yeah, the first time I installed this wig, it was me and Shacqueal who did that. I'll actually insert, you know, the first time we tried putting it on. But anyways, yeah, we did make some baby hairs that I put right here, but then I realized after I took the first set of pictures and stuff that it looks really weird, and I prefer how it looks without baby hairs. But I don't know if I need to like pluck them out completely, or I need to get a hot comb so that I can like comb it into the hair so it doesn't look, you know, it doesn't look so weird. Mind you, it's not glued down or anything. I just did this for the sake of the video. And of course I took some pictures and some little Instagram vids and some TikToks here and there. So yeah, this is what the curls are looking like. The back ones are looser than the front ones because I used the bigger flexi rods on the back and smaller ones to the front. Not for any specific reason, it was only because these were the only flexi rods I could find. Literally, I had in like 9 or so flexi rods. These were the only flexi rods that were in this wig. I love it. I really love it. Like without the makeup, I did not like how it was looking at all, but with the makeup, yeah. The link to the hair will be in the description box below. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna say for this part of the vlog. I'm sorry if it was so long. Like, this is 5 minutes worth of chatting. So yeah, as I said, if you want to buy this wig, link in the description. And now I'm gonna go and get something to eat because I am starving. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow.